So you're looking for a great 2-bedroom condo in a fantastic location? Well, this condo behind me that I'm going to show you in a second is only half a kilometer to Chinook Mall. It's 500 meters and it's only a kilometer to the Chinook train station. You're close to everything here. You got McLeod Trail, Glenmore right there. So the lobby in this condo is really nice. They got new tile floor, it's freshly painted, it's always super clean in here. And what I like about it especially is it's really nice and secure. Cameras right here, doors that can't be opened until you let people in. So for under $200,000, you can live in Windsor Park, a beautiful area, tree-lined streets, and access to everything in a condo like this. Let me show you around a little bit. So the seller has upgraded the kitchen nicely. There's nice white cabinets with raised panels. There's brand new countertop and new flooring as well. Plus there's 2 deep sinks here with a newer faucet and beautiful white appliances. The dining area is great. There's easily room for 4 people. You can easily do 6 if you needed to, and a great spot to hang out with friends. Balcony is a great little spot here to sit with a friend or enjoy your coffee in the morning, glass of wine in the evening. And again, it's very quiet here. It's a beautiful, quiet street. So the master bedroom, again, it's big and bright. It's got a nice big window there, and it's newer, and it's a casement window. So it's not a cheap slider. You're not going to get any draft in the wintertime, but you'll get a nice breeze in the summertime. The other thing you'll like is there's a walk-through closet here to a cheater door to the main bath. Everything's picture perfect in the little bathroom. It's got new countertops as well and new tile floor in here as well, and it's super, super clean. And of course, just off the bathroom, there's a washer and dryer in suite, and there's a huge closet too for storage. And there's a second bedroom too. Great little spot for a home office or for a guest, whatever you're bringing along with you.